How to defend your base from raids. Your base is your sanctuary, but it's also a target. Whether it's a scheduled blood moon event or a random bandit raid, you need a solid defense. This guide covers the essential setup for traps and turrets to keep the invaders at bay. Defense starts with pathing. Use walls to funnel enemies into a narrow kill zone and fill the path with traps. Place spike traps for constant damage and tripwire bombs for explosive surprises. On PC, use the build menu to rotate your traps so the spikes are facing outwards. The goal isn't to stop them entirely, but to slow them down enough for your primary weapons to finish the job. For high-tier defense, you need auto turrets. Place them on elevated corners to give them a 360-degree field of view. You'll need a powered generator and electrical wire to get them running. Don't forget to load them with the correct ammo type. You can interact with the turret to set its target priority on PC. My base, my rules. Build your defenses today. Like and subscribe for more advanced base security strategies.